Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my presentation. My name Agus Rianto and I'm student of Universitas Muhammadiyah Sidoarjo. The topic of my presentation is remodeling of character education in school in the new normal post-pandemic COVID-19 era. The author Agus Rianto and Isa Ansori. Okay, let's start with introduction. Character education is a proactive effort by school to instill in their children basic ethical principles such as compassion, honesty, fairness, responsibility, respect for self and others. Character education in school also contribute to the positive character development of each student and is beneficial for other individual, society, and the environment. The COVID-19 pandemic is the global threat. This pandemic has an impact on all aspects of life, including education. This situation requires the government to immediately carry out the education process during the pandemic quickly and accurately, including Indonesia. One of the policy issues by the government in education sector is about the implementation of online learning during the pandemic. Online education is still possible because it is one way to overcome the spread of the COVID-19 virus. However, change in educational pattern from traditional learning to online learning significantly affect the psychological well-being of children. This situation will also affect character education. Character education success is greatly depend on learning process performance. However, when all education activity use digital technology, the character education delivered entirely becomes ineffective. The school need effective character education models in teaching and learning to deliver character value to the student during the pandemic and post-pandemic COVID-19. This research aims to find the effective character education model for school during pandemic COVID-19, then remodels the new character education models to prepare students to face the new normal post-pandemic COVID-19 era. Now let's move on to method. The research used the SLR method. The Systematic Literature Review (SLR) is a research method that identifies, review, evaluate, and interpret all available research. In this method, the researcher review and identify journals in a structured manner, following the steps set out in each process. The researcher collect journal paper for their study through the website lens.org. Link to the journal article, Google Scholar, Synta, Scopus, and DOHG. The search keywords were character education models and school. The paper were collected and published during the pandemic period 2020 to 2021. The researchers collect 2,569 articles and selects 14 highly relevant to the keyword use. Next, the researchers classify the character education model using during pandemic COVID-19 to ensure effectiveness. Now, moving on to finding and discussion. From 14 models of character education, that proved to be effective in school during the COVID-19 pandemic. Based on the data above, it described the character education model. First, character education through daily habit, both at home and school, is still effectively applied in several schools during the pandemic. Second, the character education models integrate with offline and online learning or extracurricular has proven to be quite effective and most widely applied in school. And third, online learning demand can be fulfilled by developing the character education model combined with digital media and technology to effectively grow student character value during the pandemic. Based on the explanation above, it is necessary to do character education remodeling by combining habituation activities at home and school and learning process and extracurricular activities integrated with digital technology. It proved the character education model integrated with digital technology which school can use to implement character education during the COVID-19 pandemic and will continue to be needed and used during the new normal era. The remodeling of character education in school integrated with digital technology support school in increase the effectiveness of character education during the new normal era in the post-pandemic COVID-19. And finally, I explain you about my conclusion. The character education models require change to adapt to environmental conditions in the post-pandemic through the remodeling character education, through daily habituation at home and school, and the learning process extracurricular activity. The character education model still need to be developed through integration with digital technology. Remodeling character education is essential because students must have strong character value to survive in the face of the new normal and the high technology era. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.